Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. So we are doing the light chapter. In this chapter today we are going to start the structure and the diagram of a human eye, which is very important, and this diagram can come in 5 mark also, and the parts of human eye will come in 1 mark or the 2 mark also. So let's start the structure of an eye one by one. The first part of human eye is the sclera. Sclera means it is the outer covering, a protective tough white layer called the sclera, means the outer covering. You can see this is the outer covering of an eye. This is known as the sclera. And next is the ciliary muscles. These are ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles are the outer edges of the lens. Edges of the lens means with the help of these muscles our lens is holding, and these muscles can adjust the size of the lens. This is the function of the ciliary muscles. Next is the cornea. Third part is the cornea. The front transparent part of the sclera is called cornea. This is the sclera. Its a front transparent part is cornea. Is that clear about the cornea? And light enters into the eye through the cornea like this. I think so you are able to see how light can enter into the eye. Next part is the iris. You can see here is the iris. This part is the iris, a dark muscular tissue and ring like structure behind the cornea is known as the iris, and the color of iris is actually indicates the color of eye. If iris color is the black, then eye is seem to be black. If iris is blue, then eye seems to be blue, and it depends upon the color of the iris, that what is the color of the eye. Next is the pupil. You can see here the grey material. This is the pupil. A small opening in the iris is known as the pupil. Its size is controlled by the help of iris, and it controls the amount of light that enters the eye, and with the help of the pupil only we can control the amount of the light, that which how much amount of light entering in our eye. Clear? Next is the lens, and you can see here is the lens. This one, this sky blue portion is the lens. This sky blue portion is the lens. Behind the pupil there is a transparent structure called a lens, and by the action of the ciliary muscle, means these muscles, these are the ciliary muscles, by the action of the ciliary muscles it changes its shape to focus the light on the retina, and it becomes thinner to focus distant objects and becomes thicker to focus nearby objects. Due to the presence of the light, it is able to adjust itself. This is the lens, working of lens. Next is the retina, and here you can see here is the retina. It is a light sensitive layer. It is a layer, very thin layer. You can see this layer, this one, very thin layer. It is a light sensitive very thin layer, consists of numerous nerve cells. You can see these nerves, these are known as the nerve cells. Clear? It converts image formed by the lens into the electric impulses, means the image which is formed by this lens, this converts this image to the retina, and retina sends into the optic nerves. Next is the optic nerve. We will discuss about the optic nerves. Next is optic nerves. You can see here is the optic nerves. Sensation felt by the nerve cells are transmitted to the brain through optic nerves. Sensation means ki our eye is very sensitive. You all are understood that eyes are the very sensitive part of the body. So sensation felt by the nerve cells are transmitted to the brain. Suppose here is a brain. Clear? So this signals goes to the brain through the optic nerves. So optic nerves are helpful to sending the message to the brains, and optic nerves are having two types of cells. These are rod cells and cone cells. I will provide you the structure and the explanation of the eye, so you can see the rod cells and the cone cells also. I will give you the notes of this eye. ठीक है? So, I think so you understood about the parts of the eye, and you will able to elaborate the parts of eye, and you will write these parts of eye and draw the eye in the notebook. I will provide you the notes of this eye very shortly. Thank you for today.